Dear learners, we are together for another session on vector calculus. Vector integration consists of work done, Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, and Gauss divergence theorem. In this session, we are going to concentrate on the concept of work done. We already know that force into displacement is equal to work done. We are going to discuss 6 problems in this session. Problem number 1. If f bar equal to 2y plus 3 times I plus xz times j plus yz minus x times k, evaluate integration over C f bar dot dr bar along the straight line joining origin with coordinates 0, 0, 0 and point P with coordinates 2, 1, 1. Now f bar is given to us. We know the displacement vector r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore, dr bar will be equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Now, f bar dot dr bar. This is f bar and this is dr bar. Their dot product will be scalar quantity 2y plus 3 times dx plus xz times dy plus yz minus x times dz. Now, the route is from point O to point P and that is a straight line. Let us have an equation of the straight line from O to P, which is x minus 0 upon 2 minus 0 is equal to y minus 0 upon 1 minus 0 is equal to z minus 0 upon 1 minus 0 is equal to some parameter t. See that the line integral is single integration and the integrand is consisting of all the three variables x, y, z. Being single integral, we have to express everything in terms of only one variable. Let that variable be t. Let us express everything that is x and y in terms of t. So x equal to 2t, y equal to t, z equal to t. Therefore, dx equal to 2 dt, dy equal to dt and dz is equal to dt. Let us simplify f bar dot dr bar 2y plus 3 dx 2 into t plus 3 times 2 into dt plus x into z into dy 2t into t into dt this much plus yz minus x times dz t into t minus 2t times dt. So everything in terms of t. Now in all the terms dt is common, that is taken outside. Remaining part 4t plus 6 plus 2t square plus t square minus 2t whole multiplied with dt, and therefore this is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 6 times dt. Now integration over C f bar dot dr bar equal to integration 3t square plus 2t plus 6 dt. What should be the limits of t? Now see, you can go with x or y or z. If you say x equal to 2t is from 0 to 2, so t must be from 0 to 1, or y z both are equal to t, so y is from 0 to 1, z is from 0 to 1, so t must be from 0 to 1. Hence the limits of t are 0 to 1. Let us integrate. Integration is 3t cube upon 3, that is t cube, plus 2t square upon 2, that is t square, plus 6t from 0 to 1, and that is equal to 1 cube plus 1 square plus 6 minus everything will be 0, that is equal to 8. Let us have another identical problem. Problem number 2. If f bar equal to 3x square I plus 2xz minus yz plus zk, evaluate integration over C f bar dot dr bar along the straight line joining origin 0 0 0 and P with coordinates 2 1 3. Now this is f bar given to us. Again r bar the displacement vector, therefore dr bar dot product of f bar and dr bar will be equal to 3x square dx plus 2xz minus y times dy plus z times dz. Again, the path from origin to point P is straight line. So we have to write the equation of the straight line from origin to point P, which is x minus 0 upon 2 minus 0 equal to y minus 0 upon 1 minus 0 is equal to z minus 0 upon 3 minus 0 equal to parameter t. Therefore, x equal to 2t, y equal to t, z equal to 3t, and hence dx equal to 2 dt, dy equal to dt, dz equal to 3 dt. Therefore, f bar dot dr bar equal to, so in this, let us express everything in terms of t, 3x square dx, 3 2t whole square 2 into dt plus 2xz minus y times dy, 2 2t into 3t minus t whole multiplied with dt plus z dz plus 3t into 3 dt. Okay. Again dt is common everywhere outside, and then it is 24t square plus 12t square minus t plus 9t dt, and that is equal to 36t square plus 8t times dt. Therefore, integration over C f bar dot dr bar equal to integration 36t square plus 8t times dt. What should be the limits of t? Now here we have three choices. You can go with x or y with or z. I will go with y. Y equal to t. Y is changing from 0 to 1. So t is also changing from 0 to 1. Integration with respect to t from 0 to 1. And that is equal to 36t cube upon 3. That is 12t cube plus 8t square by 2. That is plus 4t square from 0 to 1. And this is equal to 12 1 cube plus 4 1 square 16 minus 0. Answer is 16. So these are the two problems in which we were given the path as the straight line joining the 2 points. In the third problem, the path is slightly different. Let us see. Evaluate integration over C f bar dot dr bar for f bar equal to 2y plus 3 times I plus xz times j plus yz minus x times k along the curve x equal to 2t square, y equal to t, z equal to t cube from t equal to 0 to t equal to 1. Now this is f bar. Again displacement vector r bar. So dr bar is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Therefore, f bar dot dr bar equal to 2y plus 3 times dx plus xz times dy plus yz minus x times dz f bar dot dr bar. Path is not a straight line, unlike the two previous problems. Rather, we are given directly the parametric equations. So, let us put those directly. X equal to 2t square, y equal to t, and z equal to t cube. Therefore, dx will be equal to 4t dt, dy equal to dt, dz equal to 3t square dt. And therefore, f bar dot dr bar equal to 2y plus 3 times dx. That is 2t plus 3 times 4t dt plus x into z into dy. X into z, 2 into t to the power 5 dy is dt plus yz minus x times dz. Yz is t to the power 4 minus 2t square, and dz is 2, dz is 3t square dt. Therefore, let us simplify. Again, dt is outside. Then 8t square plus 12t plus 2t to the power 5 plus 3t to the power 6 minus 6t to the power 4 into dt. Let us write the expression in descending powers of t. 3t to the power 6 plus 2t to the power 5 minus 6t to the power 4 plus 8 into t square plus 12t multiplied by dt. And therefore integration f bar dot dr bar over c is equal to integration, that integrand with respect to t, and we are clearly given t is from 0 to 1. T from 0 to 1. So here limits of t is from 0 to 1. And let us simplify. That is 3t to the power 7 upon 7 plus 2t to the power 6 upon 6, that is t to the power 6 upon 3, minus 6t to the power 5 upon 5 plus 8t cube upon 3 plus 12t square by 2, that is 6t square, from 0 to 1, equal to. Now in the entire expression we will first put t equal to 1 and later t equal to 0. 3 upon 7 plus 1 by 3 minus 6 upon 5 plus 8 by 3 plus 6 minus 0. Now LCM of 7, 3, 5 is 105. 3 upon 7 is 45 upon 105 plus 1 by 3 plus 35 upon 105 minus 6 upon 5 minus 1 to 6 upon 105 plus 8 by 3 plus 280 upon 105 plus 6, it is plus 630 upon 105 is equal to 864 upon 105. After simplification, that comes at 8.2286. Now problem number 4 is another variety. Find the work done by a bar equal to 2xy square I plus 2x square y plus y times a in taking a particle from origin 000 to P240 along the parabola y equal to x square, z is equal to 0. So here we see that f bar is equal to 2xy square I plus 2x square y plus y times z. The displacement vector r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore dr bar equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Now f bar dot dr bar equal to dot product of this vector and this vector, 2xy square dx plus 2x square y plus y times dy plus 0 times dz. Okay. Now in this problem, the path is given as parabola z equal to 0. So the three-dimensional geometry is converted directly into two-dimensional. Z equal to 0 means only xy plane. This is xy plane. X axis, y axis. And y equal to x square. Even powers of x curve is symmetric about y axis. Y square is greater than equal to x square is greater than equal to 0. That is y greater than equal to 0. The curve does not exist below the x axis. It is like this, y equal to x square. Starting point is origin. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 here. And the ending point is x equal to 2, x equal to 2 and y equal to 4. This is the point. And the path is this curve, y equal to x square is the curve. So here we'll be expressing this a bar dot dr bar expression, which is in the form of x and y. It needs to be converted everything in terms of x or everything in terms of y. That is our choice. Further, I see that it will be easier for us if we are converting everything in terms of x, because the equation is y equal to x square and dy will be equal to 2x into dx. Z is equal to 0, therefore dz will also be 0. Now f bar dot dr bar equal to 2 into x to the power 4 into dx, that is 2 into x to the power 5 into dx, plus 2x square plus x square into 2x dx, that is plus 2 x to the power 4 plus x square multiplied with 2x dx, and this is equal to, again dx is common, so 2 into x to the power 5 plus 4 into x to the power 5, that is 6 into x to the power 5 plus 2x cube, that is multiplied with dx. Further, the work done, integration f bar dot dr bar over c is equal to integration 6x to the power 5 plus 2x cube dx. And here along this path from point O to this point x, we are considering limits of x. X is changing from 0 to 2. X equal to 0 to x equal to 2 along this. So the limits of x are from 0 to 2. Let us simplify. Integration is 6x to the power 6 upon 6, that is x to the power 6, plus 2x to the power 4 by 4, that is x to the power 4 by 2, from 0 to 2, and that is equal to 2 to the power 6, that is 64, plus 2 to the power 4 upon 2, that is 2 to the power 3, 8, minus 0, and this is equal to 72. Good. Now after discussing these problems, we are going to have one very nice, interesting and important result with us. Already we know that if a vector field F bar is irrotational, then there exists a scalar potential phi such that F bar equal to grad phi. Then further what happens? In such a case, to find the work done by the force field F bar in traveling a particle from point P with coordinates x1, y1, z1 to point Q with coordinates x2, y2, z2 as follows. Work done will be integration over arc f bar dot dr bar. F bar being irrotational, f bar equal to grad phi. Yes, so integration over c grad phi dot dr bar. Now integration over c grad phi is I dabba phi by dabba x plus j dabba phi by dabba y plus k dabba phi by dabba z. Dot product with dxi plus dyj plus dzk is equal to integration over c. Now the dot product will lead us to delta phi by delta x into dx plus delta phi by delta y into dy plus delta phi by delta z into dz, and that is integration total derivative d phi from p to q. So integration of derivative of phi is phi from p to q, that is equal to find expression of phi at the upper limit q minus expression of phi at the lower limit p, phi q minus phi p. So here we realize that even though we are not given any path from point p to point q, still we can find the work done, and thus we can say that if F bar is an irrotational vector field, then the work done by the force field in traveling a particle from point P to point Q is really independent of the path followed. Totally independent of the path. So, this is the result. Thus, for an irrotational vector field, the work done is independent of the path. Such a vector field is called as conservative vector field. Let us discuss two problems of this type also. Problem number 5. Find the work done by the force F bar equal to x square minus yz times I plus y square minus zx times a plus z square minus xy times k in taking a particle from origin 0 0 0 to point P 1 2 1. Solution. F bar is given like this. Clearly we see that the path is not given. So we should be wise enough to understand that we have to check whether the force field is irrotational or not. For the same, let us try to find out curl of a bar. Curl of a bar equal to determinant 3 by 3 determinant, first row I j k. Second row will be components of del delta by delta x, delta by delta y, delta by delta z. Third row will be the components of f bar x square minus yz, y square minus zx, z square minus xy. Let us simplify this. I times derivative of z square minus xy partially with respect to y is minus x minus derivative of y square minus zx partially with respect to z is minus x. So minus x plus x times I, that is 0 into y, minus z times derivative of z square minus xy partially with respect to x is minus y minus derivative of x square minus yz partially with respect to z is minus y. So minus y plus y times a, that is 0 times a, plus k times rho k times derivative of y square minus zx partially with respect to x is minus z minus derivative of x square minus yz partially with respect to y is minus z. Minus z plus z times k, that is 0 times k, and that is equal to 0 vector. Curl of f bar equal to 0 vector. That means f bar is irrotational. Further, the work done is integration over c f bar dot dr bar equal to integration c grad phi dot dr bar integration d phi. We have already seen the in between steps. We can write directly. Integration d phi from 0 to p. Now we have to find integration of this f bar dot dr bar. Again, we have solved such type of problems. So this is exact in three variables x, y, and z. So the integration will be integration of the first bracket with respect to x, keeping y and z as constants. So that will be x cube by 3 minus x, y, z plus integration of terms in second bracket free from x with respect to y, keeping z as a constant. So there are two terms, but second term involves x. We do not consider this. Integration y square dy is plus y cube by 3 plus integration terms in the third bracket which are free from x and y. Now second term contains x and y both. Therefore integration z square dz, and that is z cube by 3 from point O to point P. So the that will be equal to, now in this entire expression we'll put x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. That is 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus, in this entire expression we'll put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, and that will be 0. And after that it will be answer 1 by 3 minus 6 by 3 plus 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and that is equal to 4 by 3. Let us discuss one more problem. Find the work done by the force F bar equal to 3x square y times I plus x cube plus 2yz times a plus y square times k in taking a particle from P with coordinates 1 minus 2 1 to point Q with coordinates 3 1 4. Again F bar is this much. Therefore curl of F bar is equal to determined I j k. Second row will be components of del dabba by dabba x, dabba by dabba y, dabba by dabba z. Third row will be components of F bar 3x square y, x cube plus 2yz, y square. That is equal to I times, ignore this row and this column, derivative of y square partially with respect to y is 2y minus derivative of x cube plus 2yz partially with respect to z 2y. 2y minus 2y times I, that is 0 times I, minus z, ignore first row, second column, derivative of y square partially with respect to x, that is 0, minus derivative of 3x square y partially with respect to z, that is 0, 0 minus 0 times a, that is 0z, plus k times, ignore first row, third column, derivative of x cube plus 2yz partially with respect to x, 3x square minus derivative of 3x square y partially with respect to y, 3x square. 3x square minus 3x square times k, 0k, and it is equal to 0 bar. Thus curl of f bar equal to 0 vector and f bar is irrotational. Thus the work done will be integration over c f bar dot dr bar equal to integration over c grad phi dot dr bar integration d phi. It must be find P to Q. P to Q. So integration d phi from P to Q equal to integration, let us write f bar dot dr bar, that is 3x square y dx plus x cube plus 2yz dy plus y square dz. Let us integrate again this expression being exact in three variables x, y and z. So the integration will be integration of the first bracket with respect to x keeping y, z as constants, and that will be 3 x cube by 3 times y, that is x cube y, plus integration terms in the second bracket, terms free from x, integrate with respect to y keeping z as a constant. Now there are two terms, and first term involves x, so integration 2yz dy with z as a constant, so 2y square z by 2, that is y square by z, plus integration terms in the third bracket which are free from x and y. There is only one term but it contains y, so we do not consider anything. So the integration is x cube y plus y square z from point P to point Q, that is equal to. Now in this expression, let us put first x equal to 3, y equal to 1, z is equal to 4. So 3 cube into 1, that is 27, plus 1 cube into 4 plus 4, 27 plus 4, minus. In this entire expression, let us put x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2, z is equal to 1. So 1 cube into minus 2 plus minus 2 whole square into 1 plus 4, and thus we see that this 4 minus 4 get cancelled. 27 minus minus 2, that is equal to 29. So with this we come to the end of this session. So remember that we have in this section discussed 6 problems on the work done. Now here in the first two problems we were given the path as straight line, so accordingly we express the variables in terms of parameter t. In the third problem we were given the parametric equations. In the next problem we were given the path y equal to x square. So these were the four problems, and remaining two problems were of different type, in that no path was given. So we have to understand that the force field F bar must be irrotational, and for that there is no necessity of any path. If we know the beginning point and the ending point, we can directly find. So with this we come to the conclusion of this session. So do hard work and all the best. Thank you.